Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. You need about 500 coins and a shovel, so gather funds and equip tools now. Once done, head straight to the beach area. Low tide or rain improves spawn chances, so plan timing accordingly. Make sure to stand near the pier marker on your map because that general zone holds the metal detector. You'll move deliberately, scanning sand patches methodically. This first sweep sets you up to find the detector quickly and avoid wasted digs. You continue by focusing on darker, compact sand patches. These hide items more often, so dig each systematically. While searching, listen closely. When the detector is nearby, it produces a higher, rhythmic tone, and that audio cue narrows your area fast. Make sure to talk with nearby NPCs or check beach stalls for subtle location hints or quests that reveal spawn points. Once you hear the tone repeatedly, circle the immediate area and prioritize digging every promising spot until you uncover the detector. You finish by picking up the metal detector and equipping it from your inventory. Once held, test it near different ground types to confirm functionality. If you don't find it after thorough searching, first clear inventory space and retry, because full bags sometimes block item pickups. If issues persist, restart the area or rejoin the server to respawn items, and then repeat the targeted digging steps. One key troubleshooting tip: if audio cues are absent, lower other sound levels so detector beeps become audible.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.